I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. This is all purpose. And a sprinkle of salt. Since I can't find my dough blender cutter, I'm going to have to cut these up a little bit smaller because the fork is not doing so great, especially when these are cold. So I'm going to cut them up smaller, and I'm going to have to use my hands. I just got to add a little bit more water. I start off with the half a cup of water, and I'm just pouring as I need it. Mix it all in nicely. It's wet enough. I'm not going to add any more. If you put too much water, you can just add like a spoonful of flour to it. I'm going to wrap this up in saran wrap and put it in the fridge. I'm making pumpkin pie. If I would have read the instructions at the store, it said 2 eggs and 1/3 of a cup evaporated milk, which I don't have. So I'm going to boil down some 2% milk to make evaporated milk, or you can use heavy cream. But if you had bought pure pumpkin, that's not the only ingredients that you need. You need allspice, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and ginger. So this can's got those in at least. So I'm going to boil down some 2% milk to make evaporated. I'm starting with the element on high, but you want to boil it down slow. This is 1/3, so you put, that's how much heavy, this is how much evaporated milk I need for this can. So I gotta put this, I gotta put double amount. And just a little bit more. Now when that boils down, I should have this amount, which is evaporated milk. This will take about 20 minutes. So while that's boiling down, I can get the pastry done. That's 8-inch. And I have the pastry dough sitting in the fridge for 3 hours. And that's 1 cup of shortening in there. So this is going to be way too much for a pie, for this pie, because you don't put a top on it. So I'm going to use the rest for another pie. Cut it in half. I probably won't use this whole thing, so try about that much. Try about that much for the pumpkin pie. And if need be, I got more. Oh yeah, I should have. It's just bubbling away around there a little bit. I want to cut it just a little bit bigger because of the indentation in the pan. So fold this in half. Okay, I'll put that in the fridge. Gonna give the counter a good wiping. Lightly mix this. I'm gonna have to let this cool down, but it's not quite ready yet. But I can mix that. Since I used 2% milk, maybe it won't boil down quite. But see, it's got some scum on it. I don't want to use that. What you actually want to do is strain it out of here. 1/3 of a cup evaporated milk. Minutes at 4 1/4, and then reduce it to 350 for 35 to 45 minutes. When I put the knife in, it comes out pretty clean. Now let's check the temperature. It's 180. I'll give it 5 more minutes. The pumpkin pie is cooled down enough, I'll cut into it. There, it even stayed together.